Không sao, kệ nó để đấy. Ăn cho xong nói con.
Breakfast. We love it. Sunny day. Phải cho how were to go in the garden. Mommy, can Joy and I go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. George, don't drink your juice for Quickie. Mommy, can we go out to play now?
Nói to cho các bạn nghe cùng với con.
Hiccups. But Joy said, God, Mommy, help me, George. Alright, you can go out to play. But look after George. I will go throw the ball, then you have to catch it. George, đó Hiccups. George, now you do it to me, and I have to catch it. George, oh there, you have hit a ball in the game. George, I know about you. Hiccups. I do say. Hey, why you come? Yeah, just now you can't on. Nó còn nhiều ăn chờ từ chốt tiêu hạt chị chúa từ dưới
Cái gì đấy?
Anh thích rất thơm ạ.
Nuốt đi.
Anh thích rất thơm ạ. And now, when you are up and down, I think your tongue out. And now, close your eyes and turn around quickly 3 times. Như hạt chốt như vậy phải vào như là chốt tiêu hạt thì cạch sure I know the hiccups the ear picking will be shocking. Sure I'm going to scare you, but you must remember it only
Gì?
Remember, he only put the scary. Pepper, you must say some word with your. He only little. Sorry, Mommy. I just tried to stop Joy Hiccups. Sorry, how gone? He come down pink with two makeup jokes. George, if you treat too goody, you get hiccup again. I know literature. I get to quick. I want to.